I just set my Cavassier down. You trying to take a shot? From there. So today we're about to use these unalive dry roses for some dye. Watch the process. Shit, right now what I'm doing, I'm basically just taking all the roses off the petals, and actually what I'm gonna do, TV magic, get a whole bunch of water, put it in this pot, and have it start boiling, because it's supposed to boil for like an hour and a half. Do these dishes. And they said that you're supposed to have more water than you think you would need. I gotta look up the woman that I got the info from on YouTube so I can shout her out. Insert that here. And that's already boiling, so we're back. Taking off all the roses, and then some of them are still was trying to do their thing, you know? Yeah, so we're reutilizing and repurposing, because why not, you know? Damn, I didn't want to get that. I just wanted to get the petal. So this is probably, I mean, if you've been watching, you can probably count how many roses. So, but I'll do a count after. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 roses. A good baker's dozen when the baker isn't really nice. So yeah, this on something I'm just doing. I figured I got these off of work, and they didn't really grow like that. You know, as roses typically don't after you cut them off the stem. I don't know what that's really about, but so I figured I got them from Mom's, and I was like, hey Moms, your roses are starting to die. Let's turn them into some dye. So this is going to be an experiment, and I'll show you guys when I'm dyeing as well. I'll be dyeing this terry cloth fabric. Not gonna say what it's for, you'll see. But if you look, it's kind of like your sweater, a little bit thicker than this material I have on. So, pretty much all that now is left to do. What's up, y'all? I ain't show my face this whole time. You were rocking with the brand EFARGEETV. We're back up in this thing, man. So yeah, about to throw these in the pot. Come with me. And it says you're gonna need more than you would think, so I'm doing it that way. It's a beautiful color. Hopefully it comes out really strong, so we shall see. Catch y'all on the update. Alright, so we're back. Hold on. Alright, so we're back. At this point in time, we have cooked it out all the way. We have a nice reddish type color. If I'm zooming in, do my little autofocus. So if you're looking there, you can see what the color is rendered from the roses and the rose petals. So now we're going to be transferring them from there into this bucket, which is a bucket. So yeah, so we're gonna put it from there and there, and we're gonna do a little bit of trial and error. We're gonna be dyeing this hat, the 101 exclusive knockoff, a little piece of that, this fabric. Hold on. So it's like a cloth type deal, and I don't know what else, but you're on the journey, so keep on locked in. I'll be dyeing this. Shout out to Last Minute Laura. We're gonna dye this and this. Right now I'm about to soak it in hot water so it can be prepared for the dye, as Last Minute Laura said. Shout out Last Minute Laura. Yeah, so we here with it, and yeah, we be back. So now what I'm doing, I'm putting the dye in the bucket. And it actually smells like roses too. It smells really good. Oh yeah, it's gonna be like purple. It almost looks like cabbage. Alright. So we got our stuff, and it goes. They might be like brown or some shit. Oh yeah, and don't put your hands in it. Put something to weigh it down with. Using what I have. Submerge it completely. And we're gonna set a timer for like 2 hours. But it's already got a nice little color to it. So we're gonna see. And we'll see the end result. If it goes well, I'm gonna dye a whole shirt that I made. All right, y'all, we back. It's the next morning. I let it sit overnight, and now we about to see what it's looking like. And I gotta wash it off, so I got a little bit of soapy water right here, and the stuff right there. Excuse me, it's early in the morning. I had this little cup in there to weigh it down. Alright. So it's got like kind of like a brown color. As you see. Ooh. That looks kind of fire. What y'all think? Oh yeah, shout out to Last Minute Laura too. This is where I got the little inspo from on to check her out on YouTube. Like a pink. And it's natural. It's just rose petals and water. Boiled it up. Put some warm water in here with a little bit of dish detergent. now I'm just trying to get all of the dot out of the fabric. I'm probably gonna do one more rinse just because you know you don't want it bleeding out. Well, this color actually looks good. I think I'll show you how. Because I was just testing on this fabric. So. So that's the color. So we're gonna see how I look on the hat. Excuse me, folks.